Okay, everybody, so I'm new to the world of 4Runners. I am putting on some crossbars today, and I've managed to butcher my side rails a little bit. Thank goodness they're plastic. I've got some touch-up paint. We'll be doing a video on that later. But what's happening here is my crossbars were too snug, and I can't get them to sit where I need them to sit. So what I read on the directions, actually, of the crossbar kit is to remove the end cap, loosen this up, and it'll give these a little bit of play, all right? So it's not that easy to remove these end caps. If you've never done it, it can be a little nerve-wracking. There's a special kit you can buy, but what I found in my garage was just one of these, when you replace a bike tire, right? When you replace a tube, you get this little thing right here. So we're just gonna use that right along here, okay? What I'll do is just kind of insert it here, and I'll put a little rag down. Anytime you're working on your vehicle, you should protect it. All right, especially an investment like this. All right, so, I just put this here so I don't leverage on my truck. And really, there's gonna be two spots, like right around here and here, where this is connected, okay? So you get in between the weather stripping. You're gonna kind of feel it's gonna go in, and that's not it. And you're gonna get it in here. Turn, boom, pops off, okay? Now, you can kind of follow that bead. Boom, right there. You gotta come right around here. I'm a bad example. I'm not even keeping the rag under it. My goodness. And then you're gonna come down, you're gonna feel it get a little more snug, and that's gonna be your other one. So, let me get down here. There you go, okay? And like that. And you just pull off the back. Oh, normally it pops off. The other one did. What do we got here? Something hooked. Oh. Okay, goes right back on pretty easy, as you just saw. All right, there you go. Take it off. Woo, holy cow. Gross. All right, well, I'm gonna clean this out and get back to the crossbar job. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button.